Hello everyone and welcome back to the Bulb Games. Today we will be implementing audio into the game, and I have actually never before added audio into any of my games, and this is going to be really cool to do it for the first time because making sound effects and music sound really cool. I have made some music for games, but not really on this kind of level. So anyways, what we are going to be also doing today is we are going to be upgrading pretty much the entire gameplay experience, meaning we're going to add some better lighting and pretty much everything that I can. And anyways, the first thing that I did was I tried out a new lighting system. While I like the one I'm using right now, it seems that you can't see very well in front of you. So I tried using this sprite light. So in Krita, I just made this little cone, and it's kind of like a vision cone, but this should make our player able to see in front of us better. But the only thing is it did not illuminate the bulb. So I would have to use the regular light to light up the bulb at the same time using the sprite light. And the sprite light doesn't have it doesn't really fade away. It's just kind of straight on sprite light. And I am not sure I like that very much, just because I want to give it kind of a smoother feel instead of a hard light. It kind of looks like it's just your vision. So I didn't actually plan on keeping this feature, and it did not help very much of seeing in front of you. Anyways, the next thing I did was add particles into the game that will just kind of flow by once again to further give a better experience while playing the game. And yeah, I just made little white dot particles and had them just flow towards the player. I know it is super glitchy right now and very laggy, but that is mainly because I'm recording. It is perfectly smooth in the game, and I'll make sure it stays that way. And yeah, so I think it just gives the game a bit of a better feel and just a little more to it. Anyways, the next thing I did was actually work on the sound effects. I used Audacity for this. You may have heard of it. It's probably one of the best ever tools to making audio for games. So as you can see, it's pretty simple interface. It takes a while to get used to though. But now I feel pretty comfortable using it. I can make some sound effects, and there are a ton of different effects you can use. You can distort it. You can only have low pitches come up and high pitches not come up, or you can have high pitches come up, only low pitches not come up. You can add reverb to it. You can add echo to it. You can add pretty much anything you want to distort your sound. And so I was pretty much just grabbing anything I could, banging them, scratching them, scraping them against each other, and making sounds with my mouth as well. And then I just, with Audacity, can change them into very good sounding sound effects. So anyways, in a second, I will show you all the sound effects I have created. And yeah, so you can hear every single sound effect, and it will tell you on screen what sound effect it is. But anyways, more about Audacity. You can layer and do a ton of different things, and I fully recommend it. Anyways, here are all the sound effects. Okay, so you may have seen Jump 1, Jump 2, and Jump 2 is the only one I'm using. Those are just the ones in between. But anyways, this is another sound effect, which was pretty difficult to make, which is a wind sound effect. and this one is definitely not final. Most of them aren't. I think the jump one's probably going to stay, but I didn't even end up adding the fall sound effects into the game. But I did write some code for them if I wanted to do it, and I did test them all out, and no fall sound effect didn't sound very good. Fall 3 is kind of the most what I'm going for, kind of smooth, simple sound. But anyways, what you see on screen right now, this is the wind, so I want it to just come in randomly throughout the game, and I did that by using a script, and it's just in a range of some time limits. And anyways, this is how I would make the fall sound effect, and then this is for the song sound effect right here, and it will make the song play. And yeah, so now that all the sound effects were out of the way, it was time to make some music. So I have made some music for my game Pulse before, and it was very simple. I just kind of put together a little thing. It wasn't very good. It was just me trying to test out some music because I wanted to do some in the time limit I had left for the game jam. But this one I wanted to be a pretty good piece. I tested out at least 3 different music programs, and I found Bosca Sea Oil was the best. And there's a lot of people that use this, and I definitely get why, because it's super easy, especially for someone like me who is not too good at making digital songs. And I'm definitely getting a lot better though, and I hope to keep getting better because making music is one of my favorite things to do, and it's definitely one of my favorite things in game development because you can really, it's like you get to make music for your game, which is really cool. Anyways, here is the music for my game, the theme of the board games. And that would just repeat over and over. But getting back into the game, I implemented my song in the game. You can see it play here in a second. And anyways, that was the main menu with the song. Once again, the song is most likely going to be final. It might go through some small changes later in the game, but so far this is going to be what the song is going to be. Let me know what you think of the song in the comments. And anyways, everyone, this is the game now, and this is probably one of the biggest of vlogs, even though it's just adding audio. These are pretty important and key features. And yeah, so next vlog we're probably going to be working more on the UI. As you can see, some of the UI is already changed. A lot of the UI is out of the way, but maybe just polishing it. And we are also going to do a surprise thing that is pretty big for the game, and I'm very excited to start working on it. But you can see how far the game has come, and it's turned out really great. in my opinion. And this is what the final game of this devlog, everything we've added in this devlog, this is what it is turned out to be. And I think this looks really cool, and the game has come so far. If you look at the first devlog, it looks almost nothing like this. Almost every sprite has been changed. And yeah, so make sure you stay tuned for next devlog. And we are about halfway done with the game, which is already amazing. And thanks for all the support on the channel and support on the game. So anyways, I'll see you in next devlog. Bye.